And in Beaumont, people got together to sled and snowboard down the Lindbergh overpass. 12 News reporter Kayla Chote spoke with one group who says it was the perfect day to shred.
From sledding to snowballs, people were eager to take advantage of this rare Southeast Texas snowfall. When Chelsea Son woke up this morning and saw the snow, she gathered neighbors to have a snow day they will never forget. Their muse, the Lindbergh Overpass in Beaumont. People got creative, sledding, using trash cans, dog kennel lids, and more.
Just getting to see all of the kids from our neighborhood that we've never seen before. So it's just seeing like the community come together for this particular moment. And then the kids started going on the snowboards. People started bringing like garbage can lids and just the funniest things.
Son had a chance to snowboard down the bridge. We'll see just how much snow is left to play in the morning. In Beaumont, Kayla Chote, 12 News.